everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to unbox and show you my Ninja Foodi Zerostick 5-piece set. As you can see, that's what I've got here and I'm really delighted about it. I can't wait to show you guys what's in the box because I need to see what's in the box. It literally arrived yesterday and I said before I unbox it, I'm going to share this video because I'm sure for you to have clicked on this video, that means you are also interested in the Zerostick. So yes, this is for you. So yes, first off, before I start the video, please do not forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly and I would love to have you join the family. So right now I'm going to unbox and show you all everything in the box and I'm going to test it out. I think I might make a porridge, you know, with one of the pans and also, you know, maybe make something else. Anyway, let's get on into the video. Maybe I could make a pancake or fry an egg or something. I don't know yet. Before I unbox this, I'm just going to run through the things that this, you know, Zerostick can do. And the reason why I bought it is because I've got a few pans that claim to be non-stick, but they really aren't sticky. And I decided, you know what, I need to change a few things in my kitchen. I've got the Ninja Foodi. I love it. I can use it to cook a few items, like a few meals. But the Ninja Foodi can't really make, you know, some basics that I really like. Like I like my stew a certain way, and I really do not want to pressure cook my stew, anything. But there's a certain way I like to cook some meals, like spaghetti. I can't make spaghetti in a Ninja Foodi. I just don't want to do it. I haven't tried it and I really don't want to do it. So there's some times that the pots come in handy and I love to have pots and pans. Like even if you've got a Ninja Foodi, you still might need to fry an egg or even make a pancake. And I have noticed that the Ninja Foodi isn't really the best tool for that kind of meal. So that's where pots and pans come in, and that's why I've gotten myself the Zerostick. And why I got the Zerostick is because you can literally use any utensil, any cooking utensil, like if it's, you know, aluminium utensil or wooden or plastic, whatever, you can use it. Even silicone as well, you can use it to, you know, stir your meals without it scratching or, you know, just going to waste basically. So I'm going to unbox this now, and as I unbox, I'm just going to tell you guys a bit more. So in here we've got the 16cm milk pan, the 16cm saucepan with glass lid, 18cm saucepan with glass lid as well, 20cm saucepan, and the 24cm frying pan as well. You can use these pots and pans on all hobs, metal utensil safe and dishwasher safe. What a delight, what a delight. Okay, so I'm going to lie this flat on the floor because you've got to slide it out. Yeah, just like this. So first things first, I can see the glass lid. So I'm just going to open it. So this one is the 16cm glass lid. This will go on one of the saucepans. Also got this one. I really like how they brilliantly, you know, put the name Ninja on there. The branding is so sleek. The next thing in here is this squashed up manual. So this is like a guide of, you know, what to do. So before your first use, you've got to wash your cookware with hot water or soapy water and then rinse and dry thoroughly. And then for best results, you've got to preheat the pan for 1 to 2 minutes using the heat setting you intend to use when cooking. So metal utensils, including spatulas, spoons, whisk and tongs, are safe for use. So you literally can use any metal utensils. And before you start cooking with any of the the items, you've got to heat up your pan for like 1 to 2 minutes. It says use low heat to warm foods, simmer or prepare delicate sauces. Use medium heat for reducing liquids, making pancakes, sandwiches and omelets. Use medium to high heat for sauteing, frying and stir frying. And then use high heat for boiling liquids and searing. So this is really good and handy to have, because sometimes not everyone knows the kind of heat setting for certain meals. So sometimes, like for example now, if someone was making a pancake, some people might just put it on the very high heat and then the pancake just burns and stuff. But if you have any questions, you can always read the manual and it will direct you on what to do. Ooh, how sleek. This looks so sleek. This is brilliant. I actually like how, the design, it looks so good. It's a bit heavy, it's not too heavy and it's not light. It's got some, weight on it, so it's a bit heavy. This is a bit thick, like, is it the diameter or what? It's a bit thick. The under looks good. I like, the design and the circles and everything about it. It looks really good. I'm just going to close this one. I believe this is the cover. Might be wrong. Let's keep looking, really. Right, this is another pan. Looks good. I love that it's got this kind of keyhole thing here on the handles, so if you want to hang your pots and pans, you can hang them. If you've got that kind of thing in your kitchen to hang, you can hang them. And yeah, it's induction safe and dishwasher safe as well. You can use it on all hobs. So if you've got like an electric hob or a gas hob or halogen or something, you can use it on all hobs. Okay, so this is how the big one looks in here. This is how it has been packed as well. There's quite a bit of packaging going around the item. This is another one. So I'm guessing this is the 18 centimeter pot and this one is the 20 centimeter pot as well. So I thought this was going to be a lot bigger than this, but it looks really small. So I'm a bit gutted that it looks as small as this, because I expected a bit more. I expected it to be bigger, maybe like a very big size. It really looks little. This is the frying pan. This is the last one in the box. It also has the sleek design as well. Thick. It's got some weight to it. It's a bit heavy. It's not lightweight, it's a bit heavy, but not too heavy, but it is heavy. So yeah, I was expecting this big pot to be a lot bigger, but the 20 centimeter pot is quite small for the kind of cooking that I do. I do cook like large batches sometimes, and this looks quite small. But this will be good for like everyday dinners or lunch or something. And also, if you've got a big family, I would recommend you find like a really big pot that is Zerostick. But this one for a big family is not ideal. This will be good for like a small family, like a family of 4, a family of 6 maybe. But I think that would be the max, really. And especially if you've got like a family of 6 and everyone is an adult, this might not really work. You get what I mean? But yeah, overall I like the concept of a Zerostick pan. I like the concept of using multiple and different kinds of, you know, utensils to cook without worrying about my pan being destroyed or anything like that. I love my pans to look good, to look sleek. I also love my pans to be black as well, because, you know, it's more aesthetically pleasing. I really do not like colorful. I mean, it's good to have colorful pots and pans, but then sometimes you just want it plain black and, you know, just keep it minimal and, you know, clean and, you know, lovely, really. So according to the box, it says that these pots and pans are scratch resistant, so it prevents sticking for superior food release. It's healthy cooking. No oil or butter needed to sear, saute and caramelize ingredients. It's oven safe up to 260 degrees centigrade. What meal do you cook with 260 degrees centigrade? Because I feel like the maximum is like 210, 220 degrees centigrade. But it's good that these, you know, cookware can be in the oven and it's safe for up to 260 degrees centigrade. Cast stainless steel handles and tempered glass lids. They also recommend that when you're stacking your cookware, you need to place a paper towel on it, just so that, you know, they don't scratch each other and mess up the pan or the pot for you. So let's go to my kitchen. I'm going to wash the pots and the pan, and I'm going to like test it out. I'm going to start off with this one, fry something here, and let you guys see how it looks and how it goes. And then I might use one of these two to make, okay, actually I might use this one really to make a porridge, you know, just so that you can see how it looks. I've washed my pots, as you can see. The lid is on, so I'm going to put this on the fire now for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we can go from there. So I've just added 1 cup of water into the pan. Now I'm going to add in my porridge, just a little porridge. Give it a stir. I'm going to give this a stir again. And I'm cooking this on low heat. So I've added my eggs into the pan. So I did not add any oil or any butter. It's just the eggs and the pan, and I'm frying it on low heat. So I'm keen to see how it's, you know, it's going to look. I'm keen to see the result. I like my eggs well done, not runny or anything. I just love it well done. And well fried, and, you know, flat, no runny, nothing. We'll just have to wait and see. So far so good. The porridge is cooking nicely. I can't see it burning or anything. It's lifting off of the pot nicely. Sorry about, you know, the smoke coming out of here. That's because it's still on the fire cooking. I'm just checking on my eggs. I'm going to turn it the other way. Right. It is, let's say, there's a bit of a sticky part there. So I would say for this kind of plain fried eggs, it does stick. Can you see? It does have a sticky bit there. So you might need to add in some oils of some sorts, because I can see that, you know, the frying pan actually sticks. Remember, I left my pan to heat up for 1 to 2 minutes, but yet I had a sticky bit right there. So I'm hoping this doesn't happen next time. Next time. And then it looks like a pancake at the back. So personally, I like to add oils to my fried eggs anyway. Oils, butter. But I thought I should just try this without any oils or butter, and this is the result. So this is how my pot looks. after cooking the porridge. And this is my porridge. Looks really good. I just need to top that up with all of my favorite ingredients. So as you can see, the porridge lifts, you know, it lifts up from the pan nicely. You can see the lift. So this did not stick. All right, I mean, it looks like it's sticking, but it is lifting up nicely. So I'm going to, you know, wash this, and yeah, as you can see, this is good. So I rate the saucepan a good, you know, 9/10, because it did do a good job, really. So back to my eggs. So this is how my eggs look now. It looks a bit wonky, doesn't it? This is the part that was sticking on this side somewhere here. So I just pushed it over here. So my eggs looks like a pancake, sort of. This is the front and the back. I like my eggs well done, as I said before. So ignore the fact that it's not running. So for eggs, I really do not like the frying pan for eggs without oil. So I recommend that maybe you could add a little bit of oil just to, you know, get the pan a bit ready for your eggs. I expected a bit more from the Zerostick. I expected it to be like zero, like no sticking whatsoever. But this one disappointed me. The frying pan disappointed me. I'm sure it's going to do a good job when there's oil in it. But without oil, I'm not quite impressed. I hope you guys have enjoyed my review of the Ninja Foodi Zerostick. I'd love to hear all of your thoughts about it. If you've tried the Zerostick, let me know down below. I'm sure a lot more people would want to know what you think about the Zerostick. Yeah, and yeah. Let me know if you need any more content on Ninja. I've got a few Ninja items. Like I said earlier, I've got the Ninja 3-in-1 food processor. So it's got the blender, the processor, you know, the smoothie maker. It's 3-in-1. I also have the Ninja Foodi. And I've just acquired this set. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the Ninja brand. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like this video, comment down below, of course, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please hit the notification so you can get instant notifications each time I share a new video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a good day.